What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop, back with another video, guys. As y'all already know, man, yesterday I made the video. I put the herculiner on these running boards, guys, and I want to say it came out OEM, man. Yeah, I wasn't expecting that, guys. It most definitely exceeded my expectations. I'm gonna show you these things when I make it back to the crib. Right now, man, I'm just in my other car, getting out the house, going to take care of a couple of business, take care of a little business, run a couple of errands, guys. But yeah, and man, I apologize, man, for the audio in my videos, guys. I appreciate everybody who done told me, about the audio in my video, man. So what I did, guys, this morning I got up, I ordered a microphone. Your boy ordered the microphone, man. So hopefully, we won't have that fluctuation in the videos, man, to where the audio just going up and down. I apologize for that, guys. I appreciate y'all who stick around and have to turn the audio up when it's low and have to turn it down when it's loud, guys. But man, I appreciate y'all for hanging around, watching the videos, guys. Yeah, I'm back at the house. I'm gonna give y'all a little bit closer look at these boards. Yeah, I think they came out pretty good, guys. Now what I want to do, I might come out here and do my back, because I can clearly see whoever had it before me, they must have just put some paint on the back. But I'm gonna come out here, guys, and I'm gonna lightly sand this down, or maybe I'm gonna just scuff it down, and I'm gonna spray this back as well with the herculiner, so they can match my the running boards. So that's what I'm gonna do. Besides that, y'all can see that white look. It's all gone. Got it looking nice and dark, guys. So but yeah, like I said, I'm gonna come out here and I'm gonna scuff this back down. I'm gonna do that back as well, because after looking at the sides and looking at the back, I just feel like I need to come and do the back. But I'm gonna take y'all to this the passenger side. Show y'all this side. And like I said, guys, I sprayed 3 coats. I did 3 coats on each side. So I think what I'm about to do now is come out here, scuff this down, tape it off, spray that back. What y'all think? Get fully cured. They dry, guys. I'll keep y'all updated. I'll do like a review. Probably once. I'll probably do a review on these here. I'll do like a 1-month review. Try to do a review probably every month for you guys. But yeah, guys, besides that, man, y'all let me know how y'all feel about it. Ma'am? Nah, I just be doing the YouTube. yeah, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do, guys. We're gonna come out here. I'm gonna do this back. Um, I would say, man, the whole job took maybe, I want to say probably about an hour. I want to say, yeah, it maybe took probably about an hour, guys. Uh, just hitting them, letting them dry in between, stuff like that. You know, I took my time on these here. So, yeah, it took maybe an hour. But like I say, man, I do recommend the herculiner. I highly recommend that. You know, it's several different types of bed liners, but this the one that I went with. I was told that it stick very well, and just from looking at how I sprayed it, I think it's gonna last for a nice little while. But like I said, guys, I'll update y'all, man. I'll keep y'all fully updated on this here. And like I said yesterday, guys, I took them off. I took it off, and for some reason, man, I didn't like it. I didn't like that look. So I know exactly in the future, man, we're gonna be keeping these on. I won't be taking these off at all, guys. But yeah, y'all can see it, the truck dirty right now. Oh man. But at the same time, it got them so clean, man. So the next video that I make, guys, I probably wash the truck and just let y'all know how they held up throughout the wash. But most definitely, guys, y'all know I'm gonna tend to this here. Get y'all a little closer in there. Y'all can see, that's the same reason I didn't want to use paint on the running boards. Because I could see whoever had this here prior, they just painted it. Y'all can see it just flaking straight up. But y'all stay tuned for this here. We're gonna get all that there out of there. Y'all see how it look now. Y'all see how it look now. Wait till it look when I get finished with it, guys. So yeah, guys, I actually do, man. I highly recommend the herculiner, man. Get the spray kind, guys. Don't get the roll-on kind. If I can't say anything, guys, I would say get the spray-on kind. Do not go for the roll-on kind, guys. If you get the roll-on kind, I don't think it will be this smooth. The finish won't be this smooth, guys. So make sure that you purchase the spray. And I'll show y'all the can one more time, guys. It's the herculiner. The do-it-yourself bed liner, guys. So that's what I use. You can find this at Walmart, AutoZone, O'Reilly's, pretty much anywhere. But this is the one that I use, guys. As y'all can see, I use damn near, I want to say 90% of the can. Yeah, I just use maybe like almost the whole can, guys. Because I wanted the extra layer. 3 or 4 coats, guys. Y'all know, let them cans sit in the sun. Let them sit in the sun, guys. Let them get warm. But yeah, man, I'm gonna wrap this here little video, man. I just wanted to give y'all a follow up on these running boards that I painted with the herculiner. And y'all stay tuned for that. Like I said, man, the giveaway will be on the 15th of this month, guys. Y'all make sure y'all stay in tune for that, man. We will be going live on YouTube at 5 o'clock. So y'all stay tuned for that, guys. But other than that, man, I'm going to end this video right here. It's your boy, Big Smurf from the Wolf Stop, logging on, signing out. Everybody have a blessed day out there. Y'all remember positive lives, spread positive vibes, guys. So until the next video, we'll catch y'all. Peace. Baby,